Alright, so this is a 2015 Chevy Tahoe. It's got the rain sensor option. I was just going to make a quick video showing you how to put all of this back together. On most of these GMs, you can reuse the rain sensor pad. I've already removed this one. It's pretty straightforward to remove. I'll probably make a video on it later, but the pad will work just fine. The big thing with this is that you have to feed the harness up through this bracket. So that goes up through there, and then you can just snap that retaining clip over the edge of that locking tab. Alright, and then you're going to take this harness and it goes around the bottom and plugs into this connector. And then that connector has a push pin that connects it to the side and keeps everything nice and tight and out of the way. There you go. Alright, all that's fed correctly. Then you just slide the mirror over the top. It's got the the classical style mirror button there. This is a T15 Torx bit. And just tighten it up, give it a little wiggle. Make sure it doesn't come loose. We've got our cover for all of this mess, and it just kind of gently push it up. You don't want to get too crazy pushing on it. And then the last piece slides in just like that, and there you go. It's all set. Thanks. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.